Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA is pushing a little bit higher, not unexpected. It's following either the white count or the yellow count. Both at the moment were pointing to the upside as long as support is holding here around the 29-cent mark. What I am exploring first before getting more bullish, so the bullish count is on the chart, right? It is possible. But before getting more bullish, I want to explore the white scenario first, which also suggested further upside is possible in an A, B, C structure. So what we have here on the chart is in the white scenario, a wave 1 to the downside after wave B topped on the 24th of August. That's wave 1 to the downside of wave C of Y of 2. Quick explanation, what is that kind of wave count here? We're dealing with a WXY structure, and then here this is the Y wave is an A, B, C. Other interpretations possible. I could even see possibly that this B wave is maybe forming a triangle. We don't know that yet, okay? But for now, what do we see? We see a 3-wave move up from the August low. So there is no 5-wave move. This is all just a corrective pattern, sideways action. And because it's just corrective, it's just sideways oriented, there isn't really that clear bullish outlook that I could give you that would be based on a solid 5-wave move to the upside. It's all corrective. Therefore, there isn't really that bullish setup. However, as I said, it is possible that this 3-wave move, which I've labeled wave B for now, that might change. Corrective patterns usually change along the journey, but it could be that this is a B wave, then wave 1 down, yeah, and then an ABC structure to the upside in wave 2. As per the previous updates, this wave 2 looked incomplete, and this would work nicely as a C wave to the upside, and then we could get a 3rd wave down. It could break down. I see that as high probability. Probabilities for that white scenario will reduce with a break above 37.8 cents. Why is that level so important? Because that's the 78.6 retracement for the decline or of the decline, which means any rally shouldn't really go above that level. I can do, but shouldn't really. In a wave 2, the price should stay below that level. Okay, if we go above it, we could still explore maybe the idea of a triangle. In this case, however, the 40-cent level shouldn't be broken to the upside. So that's what I'm watching here. Wave 1 down and then A, B, C in wave 2, and we can go lower like that. Any break above 37.8 cents will definitely open the door to the yellow count further, just a little bit further, and that doesn't fully confirm the yellow count. So it just means below 30, or let's say above 37.8 cents, it's less bearish. It's not directly bullish yet, okay? So that's very important to I think, understand. It's not bullish, so just a break above resistance isn't necessarily bullish, it's just less bearish. And there's still plenty of options how it could, let's say, fail along the way. And yeah, any rally higher obviously would then, as I said, open the door to 51.2 cents. Any break above 37.8 cents, next resistance would then be 40 cents. But yeah, then 51.2 here, the 1.38 fib extension, okay, of the initial 1-2 setup. And this would likely be choppy because this move up in the yellow scenario would only be a diagonal pattern. It is not an impulse. Therefore, for clear probabilities, we need all 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would give us what we would call wave 1 of the next uptrend, which is the first set of 5 waves, will tell us the trend has shifted to the upside. At the moment, there is no uptrend here, okay? Locally, yeah. But we need those 5 waves, and then we are watching for a wave 2 pullback where we can then expect support to hold. We can't expect support to hold as long as we are in a sideways correction or just sort of in these corrective patterns, okay? So that's how I see ADA at the moment. That means all eyes now need to be on that 37.8 cent level. Doesn't mean we have to get there. I mean, I'm rather slightly leaning to the downside at the moment, but any break above 37.8 cents, as I said, might cause me to shift my perspective a little bit. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.